Next, let's talk about the concept of ko. In this position, white can capture a black stone by playing here. However, if we look at the black side, it seems that black can capture the white stone back in the next move. Obviously, this will lead to a repetition where both players make meaningless moves. Therefore, the rule states that when there is a repeated capturing of stones, after one player captures, the other player must play elsewhere to force an immediate response, and only then can they recapture in the ko. For example, in this position, after white captures a black stone, black needs to play elsewhere, forcing white to respond, and then black can recapture the white stone in the ko. If white wants to recapture the black stone again, it needs to play elsewhere, forcing black to respond, and then white can recapture the black stone. If black considers the move played by white in another area to be unimportant, it can choose to ignore it and finish the ko. So far, we have discussed how to capture stones from the board. But is there a group of stones that can never be captured or die? Look at this group of stones. It surrounds two intersections, which are called eyes. These two eyes are forbidden for white to play, meaning that this black group will always have a minimum of 2 liberties and can never be captured or removed from the board. Such a group of stones is referred to as a live group. Go, as can be seen from its Chinese name, Wei, involves surrounding as many points as possible with one's own stones, specifically, surrounding as many points as possible with live groups of stones. Black moves first, giving them an advantage. To make the game fairer, the rules stipulate that black must occupy more points than white to win. There are 2 methods to calculate the number of points a player has surrounded. One is called counting stones, which involves counting the number of empty intersections and intersections occupied by live groups at the end of the game. Since black moves first, the Chinese rules require black to occupy 3.75 more points than white, meaning black needs to occupy 185 points to win, while white only needs 178 points to win. The other method is called counting territory, which calculates the number of empty intersections surrounded by one's own stones and doubles the count of captured opponent's stones. These two combined are referred to as territory. For example, if black surrounds 60 empty intersections and captures 10 white stones in a game, black's total territory is 60 plus 10 by 2 equals 80 points. According to Chinese rules, black must occupy 7.5 more territory points than white to win. Counting stones and counting territory are essentially equivalent, but counting stones is more suitable for evaluating positions during the game.